here. Okay guys, so today's video is going to be about getting out, enjoying these little trucks out in the open. Not really any updates on design work or anything like that. We're just enjoying the day, testing out the new camera setup, testing out the new mic setup, and taking these trucks out for some fun. I'll have more tracks up for sale tomorrow as per usual, and expect the same every Saturday coming. Try to make a video each Saturday too, or Friday as of today. But yeah, take a look, enjoy, let me know what you guys want to see. If you enjoy my content, subscribe, like the video. I think that'll help me out. So thanks again for coming by. Okay guys, so first things first, here's the fleet for the day. What we have here is the C10 with the dually wheels and the gooseneck setup, of course. Next we have the JL here, the JL Rubicon. That's my buddy's, he just lets me use it. And then here is my JL Rubicon, if you can call it such anymore. So this is the latest and greatest in the chassis I've been designing. Really happy with it. I got some PLA Plus to print it in. I think it looks excellent. Also, I did design and print some, let's see if I can get the light on that right, some high clearance links here, and I think they look excellent, and I think they perform great too. I had to add a little curvature to get it around the top link there, but again, fun little project. Let's see how she handles. Starting with the rock bouncer, of course. This is what we would consider to be a pretty heavily modified SCX24. Oh no, we had a rollover. We might need to send a rescue in for that one. Alrighty guys, time to give the JL a shot at this. On my last video, I'm sure you saw, it's pretty much just as capable as the heavily modified rock bouncer. I mean, these things are really pretty amazing in their stock format. Plus the scale looks and everything just looks great in the woods here. We've got some super overscale leaves stuck in the back of it though. Let's get rid of those. Got some pretty aggressive terrain on this log to start off here. Gotta be real careful to not tip right or left on this thing though. It definitely wants to. Let's see if we can do better than the bouncer and actually make it across. Same fate as the bouncer, it's just he rode out on this one. And dropped into the water down there. I have the Jeep follow now. Buggy made it. Now we're doing some real rock bouncer stuff. I guess we can call that its first bounty hill, eh? Alrighty guys, now time to give the Jeep the hill climb challenge here. he's getting it. He's got a little more weight than the bouncer with that body on there, so he's making it right up. There we go. Not much room left to go. I'd say that's a success. Alrighty guys, well I hope you enjoyed those clips. I hope you enjoyed the new setup here and that worked out well. Again, thank you for coming by. If you like this stuff, stick around, subscribe, maybe like the video for me, and then stay tuned for another video coming next week. Thanks.